Good morning students. This video is for class 1 children and the subject is computer. Nowadays we are doing this revision of all these chapters which we have already completed for our first term exam. So this is my third video for revision. That's why I have written here revision 3, and today we are going to revise chapter number 3. The name of this chapter is Parts of a Computer. So here in this chapter we have to learn about different parts of our computer system. The first part, first of all you just open your computer book, page number 15. Page number 15, you can see it is here, page number 15. The first part which is given in your book, it is a monitor. So monitor, I am a monitor. It looks like a television. Monitor looks like a television and it can display the result. This is the first part of our computer system. Now turn your page. In the second page you can see it is a mouse. I am a mouse. You can see this mouse picture. Mouses look like this, and what it can does, it can help you, it is written here, it can help you to draw pictures. So mouse is used to draw pictures in computer. Now in the next part of our computer system is keyboard. I am a keyboard. You can see the picture of keyboard, it is given here. What it can do, I have buttons of alphabets, numbers and other signs. So it is used to type alphabet, numbers and different signs. And my buttons are also known as keys. So the buttons of keyboard are also called keys. So this is the another part of our computer system. In the next page you can see some more different parts are given, and I'm going to explain you all those parts. The next one is CPU. I am a CPU. I have already explained you the full form of CPU. C stands for central, P stands for processing, U stands for unit. So CPU stands for central processing unit. I am the brain of a computer. CPU is known as the brain of a computer, and what it can do, I can help you to add and subtract numbers. CPU is helpful for adding and subtracting the number. The next part of our computer system is UPS. I am a UPS. U stands for uninterrupted, P stands for power, S stands for supply. Uninterrupted power supply. I am a UPS. I can supply uninterrupted power. So this is your UPS and it is used to supply uninterrupted power to our computer. The next one, I am a printer. This is our printer. I can print. I can help you to print on a paper. Whatever you have typed on your computer, you want to take the print of that in a paper, then you can do it with the help of this printer. So these are the different parts of our computer system which we have to learn in this chapter. Now we are moving to the exercise portion. Some another parts are also given here. It is a scanner. I am a scanner. It can help you to scan the contents of a paper. Next one is I am a speaker. I can play music. So these are the different parts. Now we are moving to the exercise portion. It is in page number 21. Question number 1. Arrange the jumbled words to find the names of the different parts of a computer with the help of given hint. CUP. Unjumbled words are given here. You have to arrange it. Okay, jumbled words are given here. You have to unjumble it by arranging it to find the particular name of a parts of the computer. The brain of the computer. What it is? It is our CPU. The next one, number B. I can display result. Monitor is used to display the result, so the answer is monitor. I can type alphabets. It is keyboard. KEYBOARD, keyboard. Next one, I can draw pictures. Mouse. MOUSE, mouse. The second one, look at the pictures and fill in the boxes on which, number A, on which part of the computer is Shaishing standing. This is our Shaishing, and which part of computer is used? It is our CPU. So write here CPU. Number B, which part of the computer is Tommy playing with? It is our Tommy, and which part of computer he has kept in his hand? That is keyboard. KEYBOARD, keyboard. The next one, in the next page you can see question number 3. Fill in the circles to name the given parts of a computer. You have to identify the parts of a computer and write the name. We will start from here. It is our keyboard. So write here keyboard. KEYBOARD. This is our mouse. So write here mouse. MOUSE, mouse. This is our CPU. So write here CPU. CPU. This is our speaker. So start writing from here. SPEAKER, speaker. This is our monitor. So start writing MONITOR, monitor. Next one. Now we are moving to question number 4. Color the parts of a computer and write their names. You have to just look at this part or these parts of our computer system. You have to color it. I have written here the name of these parts. You also write it in your book and copy. First one is our monitor. So I have written here monitor. The second one is our keyboard. I have written here keyboard. Third is CPU. So I have written here CPU. Fourth one is mouse. So I have written here mouse. Okay. Last question. Question number 5. Join the dots and name the pictures made by dots. You have to just join the dots serial wise. 1, 2, 3, 4. The numbers are given. You have to join all those dots with a line, and then you have to see what picture is drawn by joining all these dots. So I have written here computer system. So you also write it in your book and then copy. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you, and have a nice day. We will meet in next class with some another questions with revision. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.